everybody. Thank you for tuning in. So many of you have been asking about our work with Freeda Ramble. If those of you who are just tuning in are not aware, last year I bought a school bus with the intention of converting it into a Skoolie. And while things have taken every possible turn, we are coming back, hopefully pretty strong, and today we are excited because we are finally going to be reinstalling a driver's seat. For those of you who don't know the backstory behind the driver's seat, it was lost during our demolition phase. Somebody didn't understand the assignment and threw it away, and so this bus has been stuck in this parking spot for an entire year, and over the course of that year we now can't get her started, and we're not sure if that's a battery issue, a starter issue, or who knows what. So while we're stuck in this limbo of not knowing what that's about, I do still have to make her drivable somehow, and it's going to start with putting in a driver's seat. So I got a decent seat, nothing motorized or anything like that, because quite frankly I did not want anything overly complicated. I'm a very simple person. The less motors involved, the better for me, because that's electrical stuff that I don't even want to deal with. Who wants to deal with electronics? Not me. So as part of this task, the only thing that was missing was the bolts. I wasn't sure what bolts to get, and I did a little bit of research, and I was still a little torn between grade 2 and grade 8 and grade 10.9. So I actually just sent a simple inquiry to my friends over at Henry's Automotive, and the links in the description below. Give them a visit. I sent an email to Jay, and he replied to me the very next day, told me exactly what I need, dropped me those part numbers. I actually got the bolts in just this past week to get this seat installed, and so that's my weekend chore. That's my weekend goal. Like I said, things have been really slow, but we're going to keep chugging along, even if that means taking it one slow, stupid goal at a time, like installing a driver's seat, because it's the simplest thing you can imagine doing on a bus. So that's what we're going to do today. I've got Kevin coming by to help me with that. Everything is a surprise. I don't know if the bolts fit. I don't know if our seat arrangement is going to fit with what's on the underside of that bus. Cross your fingers. We're going to find out today. Bolt 1. feels so good to be sitting down in a seat. Yes, I've already got her covered up because I don't want any yuck and dust and getting on her while we finish out the rest of the bus. So that was fun. That was quick. That was a whole lot easier than what we expected. The bus still doesn't start. Installing a seat did not change that, but wow, what an exciting day to finally be sitting in the driver's seat of Freeda Ramble one more time. Even though she's parked and won't be moving for a minute until we figure out why she's not moving. I'm not giving up on her yet, so I hope you don't either. It's one step closer to driving Freeda back through that gate and onto the road. I've got a few tricks up my sleeves, things I can't announce just yet, but Freeda's actually a little bit more closer to being a Skoolie than we are letting on, and as soon as I'm able to announce that, I'll let you guys know. But in the meantime, if you've got any tips, tricks, things I should know before I dive too much deeper into what we're doing here, obviously let me know in the comments below. I'm totally open to it. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. I know there's stuff in here that I'm going to be doing wrong. As always, thank you for liking, sharing, commenting, subscribing, all that jazz. And remember, always go where you dare, but go with care. Thanks for watching.